build their homes. They meet on Thursday nights. And they're going to get all the photos you see from them. Like the Uli, the people in that people. Okay. Carl, this is Carl.
It's fine. We'll do it after. Because then lunch is almost like in half an hour.
This is the man that was responsible for this.
Oh, yay. No. We need to be here.
Enjoy, guys.
This is part of their stuff.
This next group of kids, they meet on Saturdays, and this is actually the practice time. So I'm going to bring them